Hello and welcome to Debbie Loves Designing. Well, today I made this lovely chain, so I'm going to show you how to make your own chain, and also I'm going to show you how you can make it into a bracelet or a necklace or a pair of earrings or an ankle chain. It's quite versatile. So what you're going to need is some 22 gauge jewellery making wire. You're also going to need some cutters. You're going to need some flat nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and also you'll need these round nose pliers. It's just like picking things up. You're also going to need a lollipop, and you're also will need like a magnifying glass, or if you ain't got a magnifying glass, something that like a pen or something, you can make the ring. And if you haven't got a lollipop, just something thin so you can, or, you know, or if you've got the that ring maker. I've got the ring maker mandrel, but I like to use this. I did this on shorts, so I don't know if you saw it. So, and also I've got a charm, got some charms, just in case you fancy putting a charm, making it into a bracelet. So what we're going to do is make some these small ones. So what I did was place the end of the wire on the stick of the lolly and press it down, turn it a bit, and then start turning. Bring it nearer. Yeah, start turning the lollipop. Hold that bit and you start turning the lollipop. I did this on shorts video, but I don't know if everybody had seen it, so I just thought who's not seen it I could just show them what I do with lollipop. So I like this ball bit here so that I can hold it and I can kind of twist it. I try and keep the wires together and keep turning it. Focus. Yeah, keep turning it and make as many rings as you want. So I'm just moving it until how much I want. I think that's enough for me, and then I'll take it off and it should look like this. And then I'm going to get my cutters and I'm going to cut it. I'm going to cut that one on. I don't want that. Cut, and then just cut alongside it. So then we're going to just cut along, and you'll have your little rings. Go in, cut, release. Go in, cut. So you just push it in like that, and then you snip. It's a bit hard, but you keeping on. So just going to push it in, cut it, push it in and cut it. So you should have a load of jump rings ready for you to play with. So next we need to make these larger rings. So almost the same technique. So take the wire, press it on, and then just turn the wire. Hold it with your thumb and then hold it there and then just turn the wire. Have the the coils, or what you call them, next to each other, and continue to just turn like that until you got as many as you want, and then you just take it off. And the same procedure, you just cut down. like so. You've got some perfectly formed rings. Smaller ring. I might use my flat nose pliers to pick it up, or the chain nose one, anyone like that. And we're just going to push the split together. So what I like to do is bring it together and then snap it together. Yes, I like to kind of push it like that and let overlap and then snap it back so it's sort of staying quite, so it stays together. And then I'll pick up my flat nose pliers. Pick up my flat nose pliers and I just kind of press it to make it nice and secure. So it's together. Then I'll pick up another small jump ring, open it across like that, and then put it on the other side of the large jump ring. And I like to let it overlap like that and then pull it apart, and it sort of makes it more secure. Then I like to kind of flatten it like that, so it should look something like this. So now I'm going to pick up another of the larger jump rings and keep repeating the procedure. Open it across, put it through smaller of the jump rings, you sort of overlap it and then let it spring. Let's overlap it again and then pull it apart so it kind of springs together, and then cure it again, flatten it. That one, something like that. So I'm going to pick up another one. I use my, pick up another small jump ring, just open it across like that, and then put it onto the, just put some more on that, and then bring it together. So that's nice and secure. So with this one, make a pair of earrings. So with this little one, I think I'll make a little pair of dangle earrings. So I'm going to open it across and then just pick up your earring hook and just put it on like that, and then close it. Bring it together and close it. So there, we've got a dangly pair of earrings. So obviously you can make them as long as you want. So I like those. So there we've got a dangly earring. And obviously you can make it as long as you want. You can either put on a charm at the end if you feel like it. Yeah, you can even put a charm at the end. So that's one. And next with the bracelet now, or you can make it into a necklace or an ankle chain. Done the end. So what I'm going to do next is put on the small jump ring and then the lobster clasp. Just thread that on. And then I think I'll put a charm on at the same time. So I've got a nice charm here. Going to thread that on. And then just close it all together. Just close it all together. I think I'll use my chain nose pliers and my flat nose pliers just to push it together. There's a small gap there, so I'm going to just push that together and then really squeeze it like so. Squeeze it and have it nice and secure. So I think that looks quite nice. Self a nice bracelet with a charm. Also got a nice, I made another one. Got a nice pair of little dangly earrings. That will go with it. So I think that came out quite nice. So thank you so much for taking time out to watch my channel. If you like the channel, please consider subscribing if you haven't already. Please press the like button if you like the video. I hope you did. And if you do subscribe, please press the notification button, the little bell, so they'll let you know when I'm back. I like to try and post once or twice a week. I'm not quite sure of the days, but I like to try and post at the beginning of the week and the end of the week if I can, because I've got so much ideas. And also I'm quite active on Instagram and Pinterest and a bit of Twitter, but not that much. And also I have an Etsy shop where I've made lots of handmade jewellery. So if you want to have a look at that, you can. I'll be very grateful. So thank you so much for watching my channel. If you've got any comments and any questions, please pop them down below. Bye for now.